Tummy time is one of the simplest yet most important activities for your baby's development. But if you're a new parent, you might be wondering, why is tummy time important? How do I make it part of our routine? And what do I do if my baby doesn't like it? Hi, and welcome back to Parenting Playground. Today we're diving deep into tummy time. I'll walk you through why it matters, how to make it part of your day without stress, and practical tips to keep your baby happy and engaged. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident about making tummy time an enjoyable part of your baby's routine. Let's start with the big question. Why is tummy time so important? From birth, babies spend most of their time on their backs, whether they're sleeping, in the car seat, or lying in their crib. While this is safe and necessary, too much time on their back can lead to something called flat head syndrome, which happens when the back of their skull flattens slightly. Tummy time helps prevent this by encouraging your baby to lie on their belly, strengthening their neck, shoulders, and back muscles. These are the muscles they'll need to roll over, crawl, sit up, and eventually walk. Think of it as your baby's first workout, but don't worry, we're keeping it fun and gentle. Now, you might be asking, when do I start? Great news! You can begin tummy time as early as the first few weeks of your baby's life, even just for a few minutes a day. For newborns, try tummy time on your chest. After a feeding or nap, lay back at a slight angle and place your baby on your chest so they can practice lifting their head to look at you. It's gentle, comforting, and doubles as bonding time. As your baby gets stronger, you can move them to a flat, safe surface like a soft blanket on the floor or a tummy time mat. Let's be honest, not every baby loves tummy time right away. Some might fuss, and that's okay. The trick is to keep it engaging and fun. Here are some practical tips. Keep it short at first. Start with just 1 to 2 minutes a few times a day. Gradually increase as your baby gets more comfortable. Use toys. Place colorful, high-contrast toys just within your baby's reach. Soft rattles or crinkly toys work wonders. If you have a mirror, prop it up during tummy time. Babies love looking at their own reflection. Get face-to-face. Lie down on the floor in front of your baby. Talk to them, sing their favorite song, or make silly faces. Your presence will make them feel secure and encouraged. Incorporate tummy time into playtime. For example, try laying your baby over a rolled-up towel or a breastfeeding pillow to give them extra support. This can make tummy time feel less intense for younger babies. Add variety. Tummy time doesn't always have to happen on the floor. Place your baby tummy down across your knees or on your lap for a change of scenery. Or, if you're outside, let them do tummy time on a soft picnic blanket. They'll love exploring the outdoors. Consistency is key. The good news is that tummy time doesn't have to be a standalone activity. You can weave it into your day naturally. For instance, during diaper changes, place your baby on their tummy for a minute while you grab their outfit. After naps, use tummy time as a gentle way to help them wake up. While you're cooking or folding laundry, place your baby on a tummy time mat nearby with a few toys. You can chat or sing to them as you work. If your baby fusses, don't give up. Try again later in the day or adjust the environment. Sometimes a change in time or location can make all the difference. What if your baby really doesn't like tummy time? Don't worry. It's common for some babies to resist at first because it's new and challenging. Here's what you can do. Start small. Even just 30 seconds is progress. Gradually build up as your baby gets stronger. Distract them. Use their favorite toy, or even turn on some soft, soothing music to create a calm environment. Time it right. Avoid doing tummy time immediately after feeding or when your baby is tired. Pick a time when they're happy and alert. Tummy time is one of those little things that make a big difference for your baby's development. Remember, every second counts, so don't stress about doing it perfectly. Start slow, keep it fun, and celebrate your baby's progress. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more practical parenting advice from Parenting Playground. Got any tummy time hacks or tips that work for you? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.